best TikTok shop coupon code where you can find them. So you simply have to search this on your browser and click on this first website that you will see in front of you. On this website, what you have to do is you will see a lot of promo codes listed in this menu. You simply have to select any one of the coupon and then click on the get coupon option to copy it. You can copy and then you can paste it to the TikTok store. The name of the website is Almofair. Now we will move to the second website called couponfollow.com, and this website also you will see that 45% off, $20 off, and different type of coupon and discount offers here. To get a coupon, click on this blue icon called show the coupon code. Copy this and paste it on the website. Now we will move to the third best website that how you can find it. So this is promocodes.com, the best and the genuine website, the last website to do it. You can also find like all other website. Thank you so much for watching this.